Okay, good afternoon. This is Kurt Boyd with Rustline Sotheby's Camelback in Scottsdale, here featuring this property at 4861 West Merlette Avenue in Glendale, 85301. It is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 1,024 square foot, built in 74. Updated since then. 2-car parking, community pool, and it has an outdoor play area. So I'm going to go ahead and get us through the first floor, and then I'll break and go into the second. I simply wanted to provide a real-time FaceTime style walkthrough. The built-in shelves stay with full price offer. Television display stays full price offer. Washer and dryer convey with full price offer. Here we have the kitchen. The dishwasher doesn't seem to be functioning, but there will be a credit at closing to the buyer to replace and get a new one, Frigidaire or something like that, $300-400. Let's go to the outdoor space real quick. So as the Edison bulbs, lights up real pretty at night. That's extra storage. Wide area. Okay, let's go inside. Upstairs. They have a toddler here, so that's why the gate's there, but that will be removed at or before the close of escrow. Okay, this would be the primary. That is a king-size bed. Here you have storage on both sides. Shared bath. Then this is the secondary bedroom. Typical closet. And it's right across the street from the school and the playground, and on to the west they have soccer fields there, so that's where all the kids practice and so forth that way. So hope you enjoyed the tour. We just hit the market. We're at $255, and HOA fee is $214 per month. Thank you very much, and please reach out to me for any questions, 480-203-3704, and I'm Kurt with Rustline Sotheby's Scottsdale. Thank you so kindly.